Hey everyone, welcome back to the Encrypted Capital Recap for Monday, April 26th. First off, market's looking really good today. Everything is in green. Our last video that we released on Friday said it was time to buy, and if you listened, you are doing extremely well right now. Looks like some of our favorite cryptos are up almost 100% since that Friday call, especially Dent over here, up almost 100% from the low. Absolutely epic. If you bought this, you are now up instant profit, almost actually a full 102% from that price expansion here. So yes, definitely need to buy, as mentioned many times before. When everybody is scared and fearful, that is when you can really get the most out of your gains and get those compounding gains that we so love and adore. Next up, JP Morgan to let clients invest in Bitcoin fund for first time. The JP Morgan Bitcoin fund could roll out as soon as this summer, sources tell CoinDesk. Found this interesting tweet from Douglas A. Boneparth. JP Morgan, Bitcoin is worse than tulip bulbs. It won't end well. Also, JP Morgan, we will be offering a Bitcoin fund to our clients. These guys are absolutely insane, trying to manipulate the markets with their random tweets and quotes. Make up your mind, JP Morgan. You guys say you don't like it. You're going to fire people for trading Bitcoin. Then you're going to go ahead and say that you're creating your own coin. Give me a break. Absolutely ridiculous. Do not listen to JP Morgan or Jamie Dimon for that fact. Next up, got some NFT news. Model and actress Emily Ratajkowski, probably saying that wrong, don't really care, is selling a link representing a composite image that features a photograph of herself in front of a print by another artist that contains a photo of herself. Cool. Don't really care. Another more NFT junk coming out. Why you would want to own a digital piece of art when anybody else has access to that art is beyond me. You are way better off investing in altcoins. Why you'd want to invest in a Rob Gronkowski card, a digital card that's one of one, that is literally digital. You're going to spend millions of dollars on that. I do not comprehend one bit. If you're that big of an idiot to buy that stuff, by all means, go ahead and do so. We will be buying all these altcoins that are massively undervalued. Would not buy anything with NFTs in it. It even says, are all NFTs a sham? Further study is needed. No, it's not. They are a sham. This is exactly like the ICO hype in 2017. All these celebrities jumping on the bandwagon offering digital bullshit. Do not buy NFTs unless you are an absolute idiot and you don't care about losing your money. Next up, Chiefs tight end Sean Culkin to convert entire NFL salary into Bitcoin. Another footballer converting their salary into Bitcoin. Don't really care. These prices are absolutely exhausted. Look when all these guys come into the market saying that they're converting into Bitcoin. As mentioned, it is our opinion that Bitcoin is near the top here, somewhere around $80,000 to $90,000 most likely. And you got to think, was Tesla really now just getting into Bitcoin at these prices? I highly doubt it. There's no way that all these guys are laggards and buying Bitcoin at 50K. This is all strictly to entice the public in to buy what it is they are selling. So do not fall for it. There are plenty of suppressed assets out there. We go over a lot of them in our newsletter. So subscribe if you know what's good for you. Next up, Binance to launch MicroStrategy, Apple, and Microsoft stock tokens. The upcoming listings will bring the total number of stock tokens tradable on Binance to 5. Funny thing is that U.S. customers do not have access to this. Top crypto asset exchange Binance has announced it will list the 3 new stock tokens over the coming week, following the launch of tokens tracking the performance of Tesla and Coinbase shares earlier this month. As we all know, we got faked out by that massive Coinbase pump as the retail traders got dumped on by the institutions and whales. It would not be trading any of these tokens. Don't really care for those. I am obviously completely focused on altcoins at this point, and my favorite token, XRP. It says the legal battle over cryptocurrency XRP has taken another turn. Ripple wants to stop the SEC asking foreign regulators for assistance with the XRP investigation. It says there has been yet another development in the legal battle between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple over the sale and classification of XRP. The SEC recently delivered a letter to the presiding judge objecting to a motion that would prevent the regulator from asking foreign authorities for data relating to the transfer of XRP to crypto exchanges based outside the US. Without this information, which Ripple claims it does not itself possess, the SEC cannot establish a timeline that may show Ripple deliberately executed a marketing strategy designed to lift the price of XRP. The regulator claims the ongoing sale of XRP to individual investors amounts to a violation of securities laws, which we all know is complete BS. As mentioned, the price for XRP has basically, the outcome of this has already been basically been priced in our opinion. You got to think that as all this news started to make its way out, they didn't even settle the lawsuit yet, and we almost hit $2. So if you guys were able to scoop up anything on that retracement, excellent time to buy. If you were not scared, you were able to get XRP at a 55% discount, which is normally what we see for a retrace, approximately a 50% retrace. Now, if this continues to drop lower, if some other crazy SEC news comes out, we will definitely be adding to our positions. I did call out 66 cents the other day. I don't know if it's going to come through. I am obviously not a wizard, but that would be a very nice entry price for anybody to get in if it does come to fruition, which is why we always recommend dollar cost averaging. Other coins that we were looking at, we talked about a couple weeks ago, Scale. We were entering our positions. We got in a little early in our opinion. Let's get this out of here. Delete that. So Scale retraced to previous all-time high of 40 cents. We were entering in the 60 cent range. I can't remember how high it was, somewhere around 68 cents. We did add to our position here. We probably have an average entry price somewhere around 60 cents. So we are definitely anticipating a nice move up here for Scale, considering the problem and use case that it is solving. And what else do we got here? Tal was looking pretty good, although that had a really nice drop of, again, another 50% from the high of this year. And quite a few other ones are popping off here. As mentioned, we really like Dent. You're up 100% if you're able to buy that wick all the way down. I don't know if the blood is over just yet, but it looks like this should be a very good week for crypto as a whole. I do think that this week will end better than the last, as we had a good 7-8 days of blood in the streets. I do anticipate some nice movements here for the altcoins, although who knows if there's going to be any other news that comes out that brings Bitcoin down, because if that does come out, we can anticipate altcoins also taking a move down. Otherwise, what we'd really like to see is Bitcoin consolidate here for a little while and give the altcoin some room to breathe. So as always, do your own research. Check out our newsletter. We got the free version and the paid version. So with that being said, that will do it for this edition of the Encrypted Capital Recap. If you guys like what you heard, drop us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you all in the next video.